Howdy, folks. We are on our final step here for our step 2 level of Google Sheets. We have Format Painter. This is the last and final tool I'm going to be covering right now. Maybe there will be more in this playlist, but for right now, Format Painter. We're going to take a look at this paint format tool and what it's all about. So you might have those moments where you want to change up what your text is or your font. So I'm going to change up some of this font. And then I might have a fill, and then I might have a border. Okay, so I'm just going to choose this border, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that really stands out here. But what if I wanted to do it to the rest of those cells below? Well, if I go up here to the Format Painter, after I've clicked in the cell that I want all of the formatting on, click on that Paint Format tool, and then I choose the cells that I want to add that format to, drag it down, and voila. And that can be really quick to make your data stand out and help you streamline what everything looks like. Remember, paint format. Always click the cell that you have that format that you want to keep, choose that, and go back down. Excellent.